Hello, I'm Tuner Guy 23. I am going to do a review on the Kodak Playfull HD camcorder, 1080 PSI or 1080 whatever. Let you guys know now. You want to buy these when they go on sale or on Black Friday, like I did. I got it for $69.99. I looked it up on Amazon. It would have been $150. Um, the if you want to spend over $200, yeah, go out and buy some fancy thing. If you want something under $200 or under $150, look these up. They're pretty good. They got a pretty good, as you can see it, pretty good on these. So yeah, Kodak Playfull 1080. I like it. It's pretty. I think it's cool. It's small, so it'll fit in your pocket. You can go through the menu, uh, the lighting, glare, that kind of stuff. But I'll tell you, the best time to get one of these is on Black Friday. Even if you got to go out and try to bribe somebody for a doorbuster ticket. So I had to do that. I had to bribe somebody $20 for the doorbuster ticket in order to get this at that price. But then of course it doesn't come with the SD card. So what I did was I went on Amazon, ordered one for, I think it was a 16 gig for, I think it was $17. Normally, like in Staples charges $90 just for a 16 gigabyte SD card for this type of camcorder. It's a bit ridiculous. That's a bit of a difference, $20 to $90. But I like it. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions, ask. You can just ask me. It's a pretty cool little thing. I haven't used it but once or twice. I try not to use it too much so the battery doesn't. I mean, it comes with a charger, but you know, it's cool. Later.